Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4-Minute Friday Fun. Today, this Friday afternoon, we are going to talk about a Web 2.0 tool called Thinglink.
Yes, we are.
What's Thinglink about?
Thinglink is a place where you can go and you can put in an image or a video and you can link other things to it.
Yep.
Thinglink.
It's pretty neat. There are free versions to it. If you're thinking about this in terms of the UDL framework, it is very engaging to kind of put multimedia within an image or a website or a video. Mm-hmm. There's lots of options here. So that representation engagement is a key for this. Kids can create them. It is a website that any kid can use. Mm-hmm. They're COPA compliant, so that's nice as well. Yep. But there are a lot of paid things in this. So the free version is what it is. So that's what we're going to show you today. So I would go ahead and create an account and then add in that you are using a teacher account here. And then once you're in, there are ones that are already made. So I can show you kind of what we're talking about. That's this Explore. So if I would click on this map of Africa, these are links. So this is an image. This is a website. Mm-hmm. You get some just general world book type of things in there, but you can really map up a disk and then you can share it. So we'll show you how to put it in its learning, or you can get the link. There's several options here.
And when it goes in its learning, little links and stuff work, right?
Yeah.
It just gets embedded right in.
Yeah, mm-hmm. Fully embedded. So there's lots to explore and you can search all you want in there and show those. So if you want to create your own, more specifically for your classroom, again, there are some limitations on in terms of the free stuff, but you can upload an image URL from the web, including YouTube videos, which mm-hmm. is kind of cool.
Yeah.
And then you can even put at what second in the video you want one of these
little things
to pop up. So we'll just upload an image real quick from our desktop. So we'll do the dog.
We never do anything with dogs, so we might as well do something with the dog.
Yes. So it'll upload it here. And then this is the editor mode. So it's my interactive image. So we'll put image of dog. And then you just simply have this little cursor and you can click on it. You can change the icon image. The only free ones are these different colored dots and letters. And then you can link it to, let's say I want to buy that ball. So I'll just link it to Amazon.com. Amazon has a kind of a thumbnail.
That's not a ball.
That's a dress. That's kind of funny.
The dog needs to wear a dress.
So you can do the image or text. We'll just keep it with text on that one.
Text.
And then you can also change the text here if you want. But just for the sake of time, we'll save it there. Mm-hmm. And then you can add another one here and just say dogs.com. There's no image for it, so it'll leave it blank, and then you can put in text and you have bold, italicized. Mm-hmm. You can do bullet points. Again, some of those things you do have to pay for.
If you go to image, can you upload your own image to be in here, or is it just
find more information about dogs? Sorry. So if you do click the small image here, you do have to, unfortunately,
just use text.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a paid for option. So gotcha. There's all the paid for options. So then you can save it down below here and you have your image of your dog. I'll save it again down here just in case. And then you can share it out. So the iframe will allow you to embed it and you can change kind of the height and width of it, mm-hmm. but you can just copy that away and then go into its learning. Let's put it in a note. Mm-hmm. You can do this in any text editor. Yep. And click the source button, paste it in there. Link. And hit save. And then that image will be in its learning page as an interactive piece. So you can pop it up and you can click on there for more information about dogs or Amazon, or you can just search your own and do that. So again, very engaging site.
Yeah.
It's workable with its learning, and that is Thinglink.
Have a happy Friday.
Bye.